Every week, a new video comes out that makes us fear the future of robotics. We watch these ultimate machines, stronger, faster, and more ruthless than any human, and it feels like something straight out of a sci-fi nightmare. And on top of that, we're being told they'll be living in our homes tomorrow, brewing our coffee, cleaning up, and replacing us before we even notice. But what happens when the promo lights turn off and the cameras start rolling live? The reality is very different. Today, we're looking at what these robotics companies don't want you to see. The blunders, the fails, and the raw reality of humanoid robots at real tech expos. The World Robot Conference was recently held in Beijing, one of the world's most important trade shows where brands showcase their latest advancements. On paper, it was spectacular. Over 20 different humanoid models parading, serving drinks, and performing precision movements. However, when you are there in person or watch unedited videos taken by attendees, you notice a key detail. The robots fail.
And they fail far more often than we are led to believe.
Why does this happen? There are two main reasons: controlled environments versus the real world. Promotional videos are filmed dozens of times in a lab setting with perfect lighting, level floors, and precision programming. At a trade show, there are crowds of people, signal interference, uneven floors, and jostling. Operator syndrome. Many of the robots seen at these events aren't thinking for themselves using autonomous AI. There is an operator wearing a suit or using a remote control behind a curtain. When the connection fails or the operator makes a mistake, the robot collapses or moves erratically. By the way, if you want the unfiltered truth about tech and robotics before anyone else,
hit that subscribe button. We drop quick reality checks every Wednesday and deep dives every Sunday.
Don't get me wrong, this doesn't mean robotics isn't advancing by leaps and bounds. The technology behind these machines is genuinely mind-blowing. We're seeing incredible breakthroughs in actuators, computer vision, and real-time balance algorithms. Every single year, the hardware gets sleeker and the demos look more impressive. But we have to strictly separate corporate hype from commercial reality. Factory floors and logistics warehouses are predictable, controlled environments. Your home is not. A warehouse has smooth concrete and designated pathways. Your living room has scattered toys, unpredictable pets, uneven rugs, and changing lighting. Making a robot perform a scripted routine for a 30-second marketing video is one thing. Making that same robot adapt to the chaotic randomness of everyday human life is an entirely different engineering nightmare. The truth is, we still have a long way to go before one of these machines can reliably fold your laundry, carry a glass of water, or help you cook dinner at home without tripping over the coffee table and dropping everything all over the floor. And it's not just about minor inconvenience or social media embarrassing moments. When a $100,000 prototype collapses during a live presentation, it exposes a massive financial and safety risk. If a 150-pound metal machine loses balance near a toddler or misinterprets its surroundings in a crowded kitchen, it isn't just a funny fail video, it's a hazard. Investors are pouring billions into these startups based on flawless renders, but industrial clients and consumers need reliability. 99% accuracy sounds great on paper, but in the real world, that remaining 1% is where accidents happen. So what's your take on all of this? Are these tech giants selling us overhyped expectations way too early just to pump up their stock? Or are these public stumbles a completely normal part of bringing revolution to life? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I read every single one.
Don't forget to give this a like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the future.